beautiful sky. Great Pacific Northwest. Cumulocirrus clouds, very nice. Breezy today, maybe 78, 76, I don't know. Around 1300. What do you mind? Was cleaning out more of his hoard collection and sent me a box. So we're going to take a look what's inside. Before we get started with this, I'm going to say thank you, Glenn. Very awesome of you. Look at the rust on these staples. I don't know how old this publication is. Let me carefully get to the first page. This looks like some guy named Jeff Woods put this together. I'm sure this is just a copy of what it was. This is a copy of a book, copyright 77. So James, what's his name? Jeff Woods. You're in trouble, boy. I haven't seen this book before. Interesting. Very nice. Did I say thanks, Glenn, already? I guess he sent me some photographs of, I think this is 2012 down at Point Loma. They were trying to get a December 7th commemoration gig going. Behind me is, I don't know if it's I can't remember the names right now, it's escaping me. A GE or a Sperry generator for a searchlight. These are from, nice gams, dame. We brought some searchlights down there. Glenn took pictures. Oh, there's my command car. God, I missed that car. That was awesome. There's Will from Fort MacArthur Museum riding shotgun, and that's Glenn's 41 Dodge Carryall pulling the searchlight generator, and I have the searchlight behind my command car. Look at that. How cool is that? Yeah. Oh, and I also have a legal left-hand turn signal going on. Oh, those are from a hot rod something or other. Okay. My Facebook page, I think I have this photo. So shotgun is Will. Behind Will is Chris, another good friend, and then behind me is Dan. He kind of overstayed his visa. I had to go back to New Zealand. Anyway, he was a good dude. And here we are, lighting up the searchlight house. The searchlight is lighting up the lighthouse at Point Loma, and then we're back to the other photos. Want to go for a ride, and then we're back to the very beginning. So that's cool. Thanks, Glenn. Yeah, I'm getting a little misty-eyed. That was a great weekend. It was cold down there. Great photos. Awesome. Glenn's always taking pictures. Uh-oh. Now here's an envelope. Bob Starwaltz passed. Francis Blake. I bought a Ben-Hur trailer from him long time ago. Oh, there are a few photographs in here. We shall have a gander at them. Oh, look at that. The Weasel procession. That's awesome. Ooh, look at this. 15-inch wide track. Those are very rare. Well, I don't want to read the letters just yet. Let's get further into the box. So we have some technical maintenance manuals. T24 engine, accessories, and clutch. This will come in handy when I get my engine back. July 2nd, 1943. This is a reprint as well. Oh yeah. That'll show me. That's good information. I know nothing about the Studebaker Champion 170. And here is a manual. TM9 1772, M-29 and M-29C, 1947. I do believe this is not a reprint, so I want to be careful of that. Printing office at the bottom, 1948. Oh, this book's pristine. Ooh, it has good pictures of the engine in it, and the spine has never been broken. That's tight. I think I have a reprint of this manual, so I don't want to break the spine. Another awesome find. Thanks, Glenn. Two more larger manuals stapled together. This is a reprint as well. You can see the ink. Oh, okay. This is the parts, service parts catalog for the light T24 carrier cargo light T24, one each. August 43. And then Consolidated Industries made that machine in the picture. That's a Swamp Fox, and it was based on the Weasel configuration. The hull obviously is different, rounded up front, more like a boat. And it says, under new management on this stamp, John Murray, T&J Murray. This is the grandfather for T&J Murray. I believe he's passed away. But some more good, useful info. There's a picture of the engine. That's going to be awesome. I'll be able to put the engine back together correctly. So there's that, and now there's stuff in the bottom. Uh-oh. Now the breeze is picking up a bit. So these are ignition coil holders. And again, radiator caps, AC Delco. Look through the Cosmoline wax paper, called Quality Parts. Same thing. And I have one that came off my engine, but it's good to have more. I think perhaps my buddy Sir Bertimus may have several. as well. So that's the unboxing video of the precious metals and precious literature. I'm gonna stop this video here. It's 10 minutes already. I hope Glenn doesn't find any more stuff because I'm running out of room in the little workshop. Hope everybody has a great Saturday. Thanks for watching my video.